This is the help screen and this is how to fix ADP mobile app not working. So this is an Apple and Android device tutorial, so just simply follow along. So guys, first thing that you will need to do is go to your Google Play Store, and then from here just search for ADP. And now guys, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app over here. And when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. And now for the second solution, guys, just go to the settings on your device. And then once you are on the settings, just go to the apps. And then over here on the apps, just tap on the ADP mobile. And then from here, guys, just tap on the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, guys, you should be able to fix the issue. And now, if the solutions that I provided doesn't work, the last option that you have is reinstalling the application on your device. So first, uninstall the app on your device. And then once it is uninstalled, you can just go back to the Google Play Store and install it back again. And then from there, you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya!